Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy Talk English channel.
Hi, guys. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, really happy. If you want to learn English in a simple and natural way, you're in the right place.
Exactly. We talk like real friends, so you can learn real English for daily life.
Oh, by the way, my name is John. Nice to meet you all.
And I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too.
So, Emma, how's your morning going today?
Pretty good, actually. I woke up early today, which is rare for me.
Really? You? Waking up early? That's new.
Hey, I'm trying to change my habits, okay?
All right. I respect that. So, what did you do this morning?
Well, I woke up at 6:30. I didn't check my phone right away.
That's already a good habit.
Yeah, instead I drank a glass of water and I just sat quietly for a few minutes.
Like thinking?
Yeah, just thinking and breathing slowly. It felt really calm.
Wow, that sounds peaceful. My morning was very different.
Oh, really? What did you do?
I woke up late, rushed out of bed, checked my phone, and almost missed breakfast.
That sounds stressful.
It was. My heart was like boom, boom, boom.
So today's topic is perfect then.
Yeah, today we're talking about daily habits.
Daily habits are the small things we do every day.
Right, and they can change your life slowly.
So, John, do you think daily habits are important?
Yes and no.
What does that mean?
I think they are important, but sometimes I feel lazy.
That's honest. I feel the same sometimes.
Like, I know I should exercise, but I just sit and watch videos.
Same here, especially at night.
But when I do good habits, I feel better.
Yeah, me too. I feel more confident and calm.
So, what are some of your daily habits?
Let me think. Okay, I try to wake up early. I drink water. I eat breakfast.
Good start.
Then I write a small to-do list for the day.
Oh, I like that. Do you always follow the list?
Not always, but it helps me stay focused.
That's true. I don't use a list and I forget things.
See? A list can help you.
Maybe I should try that.
You should. It's simple.
What about exercise? Do you work out every day?
Not every day, but I try to move my body.
Like what?
Sometimes I go for a walk. Sometimes I do light yoga.
That sounds relaxing.
It is, and it helps my mood.
I think that's the key. Habits change your mood.
Yes, that's very true.
When I stay in bed too long, I feel lazy all day.
Same, but when I start my day well, everything feels easier.
So, how can we build good habits?
I think we should start small.
What do you mean?
Don't try to change everything in one day.
Ah, yeah, that's hard.
For example, if you want to exercise, just start with 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, it's easy, right?
Yeah, I can do 5 minutes.
Then slowly you can do more.
That makes sense.
Another thing is consistency.
Big word. What does that mean?
It means doing something again and again, every day.
Oh, like a routine.
Exactly.
So even small habits can grow big over time.
Yes, that's the magic.
Do you have any bad habits? Be honest.
Of course I do.
Tell me one.
I check my phone too much.
Oh, yeah, same here, especially before bed.
Yeah, I say just 5 minutes, but it becomes 30 minutes.
Or even 1 hour.
Yes,
That's a bad habit we should change.
definitely.
So what can we do?
Maybe put the phone away before sleeping.
Like far from the bed?
Yes, so you don't touch it.
That's a good idea.
Also, we can replace a bad habit with a good one.
Replace?
Yes. For example, instead of using your phone, read a book.
That sounds better for the brain.
Exactly.
I like that idea.
What about you, John? Any good habits?
I try to drink coffee every morning.
That's your good habit?
Hey, it makes me happy.
Okay, fair enough. Happiness is important.
But seriously, I also try to learn something new every day.
Oh, that's great. Like what?
Sometimes I learn new English words or watch educational videos.
That's a very good habit.
Yeah, even 10 minutes helps.
See? You already have good habits.
Maybe I'm not so bad after all.
Not at all.
So, guys, if you're watching, think about your daily habits.
Yes. What do you do every day?
Are your habits helping you or stopping you?
That's an important question.
You don't need to be perfect.
Just start small.
Maybe today, drink more water.
Or go for a short walk.
Or learn 5 new English words.
Yes, that's perfect for this channel.
Exactly.
And remember, habits take time.
Don't give up too fast.
Be patient with yourself.
You can improve little by little.
Every small step matters.
So, Emma, after this talk, what habit will you work on?
I think I will sleep earlier tonight.
That's a good one.
What about you?
I will try to wake up earlier and not rush.
Let's see if you can do it.
Hey, I will try my best.
That's all we need. Just try.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
And we hope you learned some useful English today.
And also some useful life tips.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share it with your friends who are learning English.
We'll see you in the next video.
Take care and keep practicing every day.